USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share, and below the video you'll find these links. So if you want to get some swing setups, then you can check out the first link which says swing like a pro. So go and check out everything there. And then you can join if you want, and if you want to talk to me, you can book consultation right here, and you can always join this free Telegram. So go and join it. And coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are down. Okay, we had this long red candle this week. So yeah, coming back to Delhi, I think this is a new downtrend, but now is the time to go take a pullback. Okay. So we have rejection and this should be a pullback now. Coming back to 4 hour. 4 hour again, we have made a new low. We should take a pullback. So by default, price is below the EMA in all time frames. Look for shorts after each pullback. But if you don't want to guess and if you want precise swing setups, go and check out the first link below. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.